Make early communication with the student teacher and cooperating teacher to establish expectations and set up a schedule for visits. Supervisors normally make 4 visits in the fall rotation and 5 visits in the spring rotation. Some students are placed on weekly visitations and supervisors will be compensated for extra visits. Provide suggestions and support to the student teacher that will improve teaching skills. Evaluate lessons and provide feedback to student teachers. Track the progress of the student teacher with the cooperating teacher.
Track the attendance of a student teacher. Student teachers are expected to attend every day of their placement. In the event that student teachers become ill or unexpected circumstances arise, time is usually expected to be made up at the earliest convenience. Student teachers should not expect they will be excused for any reasonable absences. Manitoba certification requires student teachers to have a minimum number of days in field experience. If a supervisor has any questions or is uncertain of a situation, he or she should contact the Field Experience Director for clarification.
Complete all final evaluation forms necessary to return to the Field Experience Office. Report any problems to the Field Experience Office early in the placement in the event that reviews or removal from a placement may be necessary. Submit all evaluation forms within 1 week of the completion of student teaching.
For more information about the Brandon University Cooperating Teacher Program, please refer to the Faculty of Education Field Experience Handbook or contact the Field Experience Office at 204-727-9647 or the Field Experience Director at 204-727-9638. For more information about the Brandon University Faculty of Education, visit us at www.brandonu.ca/education.